assure you guys, this is not a trailer video. Just, the trailer is very much so in it. I couldn't help myself. I gotta clean it up a little bit. All right, there's a couple of things that I'm wanting to do to this thing, and one of them being, I want to check the coilovers, and I want to see if they are indeed all the way up. I know for a fact the front is not, because the front is still where Braven had it, and Braven lowered it. So the front is still at the lowered position. So we should definitely be able to get some more height out of the front. But the thing is it's sitting kind of level right now. I feel like if we can't get more height out of the back, then the front is probably gonna end up being higher than the back. And then we're gonna be rolling around looking like we're squatted, bro. And I ain't from Carolina, nor am I a Tequacha. So, disclaimer, no offense to people in Carolina. Anyhow, I'm also wanting to disconnect the front and rear sway bars to see if we can get some more flex. Yeah, I think that's about it. Man, you almost took a tumble there, buddy. Silver socket on impact engage. Baby, come back. What? Oh. Off with your head. Oh man, that looks like it's gonna be a doozy. I'm trying to figure out a plan of attack here. I mean, do I really just disconnect the end link and let that thing just sit there? Because it's going to, it's going to be sitting on top of the control arm. So basically, I don't know, for some reason in my mind, I was thinking like they would bind up. Yeah, as long as they're not connected to the control arm, it shouldn't. But it's going to be noisy. I mean, this thing's going to be clanking on the freaking control arm the whole time. I was thinking I ought to just take it all the way out, bro. But, I think I'd have to like take the drive line out and everything. I mean, I could just... Yeah, I hit it with a floppy disk. I don't even have a cutting disc on there. I'm not gonna cut it out. Because honestly, I need the sway bar. But good news, we don't have to disconnect the rear one. Yeah, it's already disconnected on that side. Oh, on this side as well. So we haven't had a rear sway bar the entire time. Nice. Commenter told me that around rusty parts, heat is your best friend. So we're gonna get this party started off right. Oh, nice. Oh, never mind. I was excited because it turned like so easily, but the whole entire, like the thread and the nut, the whole thing is turned. Infinite spin, my friend, infinite spin. You know, sometimes you just don't have time for that shit. Now can we just focus on lifting this thing? How tight do you guys think Braven got this thing, huh? So, righty tighty, lefty, yeah, lefty loosey. Alright, here we go. I raised it up the distance of the wrench of the spanner. So our overall 3 1/8. Alright. Go repeat on the driver's side. Driver's side is done. Now I went ahead and I lifted the back like another 1/4 of an inch. The problem is I don't have time to take the suspension completely off right now. I need to take it completely off and see how much thread is actually in those cups. I'm afraid to go too much further. I don't want there to only be like a couple threads, you know? And the back was at 4 inches between here, and I raised it up another 1/4 inch. So from this locking collar to this one is 4 1/4 inch on the back, and then on the front is 3 1/2 inch. All right, it definitely looks a little bit higher. Now, if I can drive straight up the trailer, that will be the true test. I haven't been able to drive straight up on the trailer. Like, I don't need to put the ramps out because luckily that trailer has that dovetail, so it's really low on the back. For like the cars and stuff, I'd have to put the ramps out. But for this, I've been able to just drive up it, but it hits in the front, so I have to go up at an angle where the tire hits it first. So then I run over it with the tire and it pushes the trailer down. Either way, it's higher than what it was. Hopefully it's high enough I don't have to go at an angle, is what I'm saying. Just in case, 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 just in case. Okay, I'm just kidding. Kidding. Alright, a pry bar, just in case. Okay, that's it. Peep game, bro. Got me a little bag, put all my motorcycle straps in. Okay, I don't think they're all gonna fit. Damn it. You know, I'll just leave all the straps in there so they don't unravel, and the actual ratchets we'll just throw in the box. But check it out, my freaking floor jack fits in there. Got some of my larger straps over here. I definitely need to get a new shock. Need to go out and get a set of straps also, the larger ones, because I mean, I've got the chain and I have one large one on the back right now and I have one there. And they're all super freaking old anyhow. Taking some just in case tools with us. I don't think I mentioned it yet, but a friend of mine told me about a place where he takes his RZR out at, and he says a lot of people like in the neighborhood take them there and they ride there all the time. Now, I don't expect to do any crazy like 4x4ing at this place, or I don't know, there might be like some hills or something and like maybe kind of like a dirt trail. I don't know. I just want to go check it out. I want to get out of the house. I just want to go have some fun in the CRV, man. We're taking tools and stuff with us in case anything stupid happens. You know, like me, and I decide to go off some pretty sweet jump. You guys remember in the last video, I mentioned that we don't have lights on the trailer, so I'm gonna be using my temporary lights, these little magnetics, for now, till we get some lights for it. Who knows, I might be able to just chop these up and actually mount them permanently. Gotta make do with what you got, man. Well, that is the best I was able to do. I have tried like every configuration to try to get these damn lights on here. I had them underneath here. I was originally trying to reach the fenders, but you guys see how much tension's on it? Just so I have enough slack right here. You know what I mean? So whenever we're turning, I don't pull on the wires. Now we just gotta wait for Braven to get home. Look who's finally home from work. Stopping to get gas. I need to put gas in both of them, I think. But waiting for this car to move. Alright, so this is super weird, bro. There's houses all over the damn place. Like, we're surrounded by houses. This is in the middle of a neighborhood. As you guys can see, it's already getting dark. I hope that the camera is gonna be able to handle low light, but we're fixing to have fun either way. Shit.
Maybe this one.
Oh my god, bro! You could catch some air on that.
Oh god.
Lord.
Oh.
I need to kind of take it easy so I can like learn where the really big ones are.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at this, bro. Damn, Gina.
Jesus. And it gets all like bunch of whoa. Might be the turnaround spot. Good thing the thing is black, you know, you can just turn off all the lights and it'll disappear.
Right.
See if this thing got some motion.
Huh?
See if this thing got some whip motion.
All-wheel drive.
You know, I mean, you know, it was there.
No, it won't downshift though.
Yeah.
Like in the first gear.
Dude, I feel like if there was the first gear, you know, if we could figure that out, it might just be a solenoid. Because think about it, it's automatic.
I think it's fluid.
Yeah.
Oh shit! You know what I need to do? Take this airbag out.
Oh my gosh.
Could you imagine, bro?
Oh shit. I'm down. Yo, I found a skateboard. No BS, bro. It's literally a skateboard, bro. It's just sitting right here.
Wow.
But hey, kickflip.
We basically drove the entire thing. It's just a trail. I mean, it's fun. Don't get me wrong, it's a lot of fun. I don't know how great it is for video. Pops the Braven's over here finding skateboards and shit.
It's so tiny.
It's because it probably belongs to a kid.
I'll throw it on the trail.
Don't throw it on the trail. Someone's gonna run it over. Numbnuts?
No, on the sidewalk. That's what I meant.
Oh. Oh shit! Good lord! Bro, this little LS is singing, bro! Oh shit, that's a big one. Back at the truck.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Yeah, we gotta get out of here. I say get an exhaust and come during the day.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like that.
Down at the gas station. Let's go. How come everything that's like cool, like automotive related, always is like so freaking illegal?
Yeah.
This was really cool back here. I think this is more for like RZRs or something. Well, I mean, the like you said, the CRV wouldn't be bad if it wasn't so damn loud.
Yeah.
If it was quieter, we could be back there just freaking romping, bro. And nobody even know we're there.
Thank God. But yeah, let's get out of here. We were a little loud.
Yeah, that last part right there.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people coming out. So.
Yeah, all the lights were coming on.
The lights are coming on all over the place. Bro, I came with the CRV on a trailer. I got a bag of tools. I have a jack. You know what I'm saying? Like I have the whole setup for a trail.
Yeah.
We should have drove here. We could just drove the CRV over here,
yeah,
bro,
yeah.
and just, you know, it's nice to be able to just drive up on the trailer, pull the e-brake and drive off. We're gonna strap it all down here. All right, so I went a little overly prepared for a dirt trail. I was excited to eat our dinner out in the middle of freaking nowhere. I thought that this was like a lake type of situation, and we were gonna eat sandwiches on our CRV table, and damn it, we are still doing that.
You're being extra.
Nope. Here's my chair. QT sandwiches it is.
Yep.
Alright, don't forget the bag, because we're not gonna leave our trash in the middle of nowhere.
We already ate all the chips.
Huh?
We already ate all the chips.
Yeah, I know. It does smell really bad like exhaust fumes out here.
Yeah, it does.
This thing reeks, bro.
Yeah.
Let's just go eat in a house. Whatever. Give me my sandwich.